I'm navigating life as a millennial, and I've seen enough social media content to know I would rather be seeing the world. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel, and let's go find a better point of view. I am getting ready to do a photo shoot for my best friend Talisi. It's her birthday, actually tomorrow, April 17th. Aries, gang, gang, okay. She's an Aries baby, springing forward. Birthdays are a pretty big deal for her. So we're doing a photo shoot. She hired your girl. And I said, hired, okay? She hired me, and yeah, I'm gonna do her photos. So, as you can see, I'm walking through the bakery, which is a co-working space here in Midtown Atlanta, and then you're gonna see me touring the Creamery Studio, which is where I'm gonna be shooting Talisi's birthday outfits. And yes, I'm a photographer, and I am saying it loud and proud. I am a photographer, and we're gonna lock in on this journey and navigating what it's like to be essentially a photographer building their portfolio. So that's one of the things that this channel will be about. So if you are into that kind of stuff, follow, like, subscribe, hit me up if you got questions. If you're a photographer, shoot, let me know how y'all get in contact with models and things of that nature, because I'm ready to shoot. I'm really looking to collab more with more people. So yeah. Look.
On the birthday.
Yes.
So listen, you're gonna have to edit her real bad because I cut the lace too far. Cause remember, bitch, get the lace. But listen, remember when I did it for Deanna's birthday, it was Sloop. But I let bad. But they don't let that bad do it.
No, it don't.
It look cute, but it's like, I know.
I'll just have to smooth it out somehow.
Please just do smooth your girl out.
Yeah, I'm gonna smooth it out.
So what we doing first?
Okay. Yeah. Hello. So we got Miss Nikki.
Miss Nikki Renee, period.
Yes, she's gonna be doing the styling, getting our girl right. So.
Did you color the?
Oh, no, mess up the.
Don't drink.
You the birthday? Doing this?
Oh, it's pretty. It looks yeah.
Girl, was custom.
Yeah, it looks better in
You
person.
gotta be real gentle with it because it's going back.
Oh wait, is this the one from Shein?
Yes.
Girl, don't it look good?
What?
Girl, I'm about to give me a couple of these, okay?
This is you don't want to keep it.
I like it.
But where am I gonna wear it?
I know that is.
Somewhere to wear it.
That's true. Yeah.
Let me get some kind
Hey. What are you doing? It looks so good. The iPhone.
I know. I need to girl, get at the camera. The camera is everything. Hold on, wait. Bro, I love this camera. Look. Y'all look. Come here. Watch this.
Oh my God.
Watch this.
What is it?
Now record.
Isn't it?
Oh,
What is up, y'all? We is at.
That is
We
so
is at
cool.
the place. Go ahead, do a round. Do a round.
Oh yeah.
No, record around the building. It's recording you and the building.
Oh, it is. Oh, I didn't realize. Okay.
I'm like, it's so lit, bitch.
Yes. As you can see,
Oh my God, this shit is lit.
this is so cool.
It is so
I didn't know you
lit.
could do that with the phone.
Bro, it's so much. I love this phone.
Whew.
And then not the.
They are.
No, this is so.
I was trying not
I gotta set up too. I gotta set my camera up.
Look at everybody, content.
Everybody's
Content right here. Ooh, wait, hold on. Oh, it's tracking you. I'm like, who is tracking?
Me?
Yeah, your face. There we go.
Yes.
That's pretty. Yes.
So yeah, that goes with the stockings,
Yeah.
the lace stockings.
Yes.
So that's why I said we can go ahead and knock that one out.
Get the details.
And then, oh,
Yeah.
you know, I'm still learning how to do this.
What?
You need help?
This fancy thing Alex got me.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It's like, it's fancy. So,
It'll work.
Alex, I wish you could have came to the house tonight. But I know you about to be there all weekend.
Yeah.
Don't say it like that, nigga.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be here. Ain't my toes cute? She made them look so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you know they go from.
Are these press-ons?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these press-ons.
I've never seen you with long nails like that.
I did it because the shoot is giving.
Yeah.
It's giving G.
Oh, wait.
So
O-U-S, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, say that again?
It don't look crooked.
No? Okay.
Oh, this necklace cute. Where you get this necklace from?
Sheen, everything Sheen, sis.
Man,
Sheen,
I like this necklace.
Sheen, auntie, cousin.
Okay,
Oh, here the camera.
for the first blazes, we're doing the blazes look, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Where you want
I
it?
think the white screen,
White wall?
the white wall, and maybe in the vanity look.
Like this little area, or have you looked?
No,
Have you
I
looked?
have not looked.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Different things you can use.
Oh wow.
They even got back here, but I feel like,
Oh shit.
yeah, they got back here too.
So maybe the blazer back here.
Well, it's so, well, cause it's already black. You want to
Pop?
pop. Cause you're wearing shoes, lace. I almost feel like, almost kind of.
Like here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it gives here.
That's what I'm thinking.
Or a white screen and stuff. Yeah.
Given there. You can even do it right here. Like, obviously not with that in it.
Yeah.
You know? So
Okay, I just got my-
we can do both to see.